Hey, we're here again. This time we are going to see what happens when we put a family size bag of chips in a microwave. For safety precautions, I would say to you, please do not try this at home unless you know what you're getting into, because there's a possibility that this thing might catch on fire. And yeah, just enjoy. Don't do this at home. I'm just telling you. Yeah, your microwave is gonna smell really bad also from the first experiment that we did with a small bag. So yeah, we're gonna put this on for like, let's say 10 seconds. I'm gonna show you guys. Sorry about that. Just making sure you guys can see this. In the event of a fire, I'm just going to keep my hand right here on the stop button. Enjoy. Well, that sucked. Nothing happened. It just shrunk. Okay, we're gonna keep it in there and see what happens later on.